So let's talk about plugins. If we want to install Eclipse Marketplace, here we can find different plugins inside our search field. We can search Spring, for example, and now we press go, and it should find. So it find some script tools. Third, fourth version, different release, more information, JUnit tools, etc. A lot of plugins. Can install it by pressing install button. So here we need to confirm, then wait till it installed. Next, press finish, and it asks about authority, select all. And so yes, we selected trust. It installed, as you can see in corner, bottom corner. Okay, uh, we should wait. It again asks some uh, signers, so it asks to restart. Let's restart our IDE. So our IDE restarted, and we can see our Spring Boot. So when we create project, we have Spring Boot. So here we have starter project, and here we can define Java version, artifact group version, some working sets, and next we can add dependencies, define Spring Boot version, and some, for example, config server. So this is a useful feature. And also we have a Spring Boot dashboard. So here we can start, restart process associated, also with process, stop process, open console, linked with console, connection, and connect to Docker daemon. So that's all. If you want, explore more.